Pricing a quote. Welcome to this short tutorial on pricing a quote. In order to price a quotation in Joblogic, firstly select the quote you wish to price up. This can be either a new quote or an existing quote already entered into Joblogic. Once you have selected a quote, you can start inputting your prices by selecting the Price tab as shown. You will now be presented with the options to add in detailed lines to the quote, including labor, materials, etc. Once you have added your prices, you have the option to send the quotation to your customer as either a detailed line-by-line quote or a totals-only quote by using the slider as shown here. Thank you for watching this short tutorial.